Okay, we're going to give it one last look at these bikes that are coming in, and as we're headed out. And it's just too nice a day. I didn't really see anything that I needed real desperately, so I came, I saw, I'm glad I came, and it's great, really good. Just really enjoy. I didn't take the bike today, but I've got running around to do right after this, so I just didn't have time for the bike. Anyway, here's some nice motorcycles that came to the event. This guy in the Suzuki's been everywhere, it looks like. I mean, it's just so funny. It's just absolutely quiet and peaceful out here in the country, and then a moment later, the bikes roll up, you know. They usually have the hot rod show here too, but I haven't really seen any cars. That must come later. I just got a real early start today. I felt like getting on top of it, you know. Get out here, beat the traffic, that kind of thing. $110. Well, 110 beats 80, don't it? All right, just a beautiful day. You ought to really come down, consider coming down to Florida in the winters. I tell you, it's beautiful. I might drive around the back roads on the way down. I gotta go south of Tampa if I make it that far today. But anyway, I think I'll take the country roads down the way I do. See a little something different. See some of the leaves coming off some of the trees, and
thank you. Thank you too.
I just like to park over on this side. I just always have. And you got to walk a little further in a sense, but of course your bike could be in the shade. The cars and trucks and bikes are cooler over here. A guy, if he wanted to get his hand stamped, he could go back in. So this is the fairgrounds in Webster, and I think that the actual, when they have the county fair for, that's up the road from here. I don't know, I don't really understand it myself, but now every Monday here is, they have like a swap meet on these fairgrounds, so okay. See ya.